Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, as usual, before we start, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, 6 Ali bin Abi Thalib. How are you today?
Happy banget.
Hila is feeling happy today? Okay, anyone is feeling unwell today? Unwell? Cannot sleep? So you still feeling sleepy? Okay, even we start our school since 6:30, but I hope you all are in the good conditions. Okay, let's check our attendance today. Who is absent today?
Me.
How come? Check your friends. How come? Okay. 6 Ali bin Abi Thalib. What subject for this morning? Math. Okay, today we will continue again our lesson in math subject. Yeah, but before Miss Febri start, yeah, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Now we can gather here together again. As we know, in this week, yeah, especially for grade 6, this week will be a quite busy and challenging week for you. I know. Why? Can you answer why? Yeah, because there are several practical exams that we will have finished this week. Starting from today, some of you will have music practical exam. Yeah, only some of you. And then what next? Science on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday you will have to bring your project and then present. And then the next one, what we will have this week? English. And then how about PE? Yeah, we also have PE exam, practical exam in this week. Yeah, but don't worry, Miss Febri and Miss Dede believe that you can pass all the exam very well. So keep healthy, keeping your focus, and then don't forget to. Akso Mirza, can you be focused now? Okay, don't forget to. The most important thing is don't forget to involve Allah in everything that we do. Okay, let's jump to our lesson today. Let's see the cover on my slide. Can you guess? Yeah, the title is change. Can you guess what will we do today about change? Or what will we become today? Okay, raise your hand first.
How many percent that can be changed?
We will counting how many percent? The change per person. How about the other? Today, Radit said that today we will be a detective. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, so today all of you will become a detective. Yeah, math detective. Okay, next, Miss. Okay, so welcome, detective. Yeah, today we are going to complete our mission. What is our mission for today? Yeah, our mission is to uncover, because we will learn about change. So today we are going to uncover the truth behind the change. Yeah, there are 3 challenges, yeah, that you have to finish in this investigation. Yeah, but yeah, Ms. Febri will explain later. Okay, but before we start, let's do brain gym. What is brain gym? Usually we do ice breaking, yeah. But now Miss Febri do something a little bit different. Okay, are you ready? Okay. The clue is say the color, not the word. Yeah. The purpose of this brain gym is to make you to keeping your focus before we start our investigation today. Okay, are you ready? What is the clue? What is the keyword? Say the color, not the word. Okay? Can you say it together? Say the color, not the word. Okay, focus ya. We start from the easier one. Yeah, from level 1. Okay, Miss Dede. Remember, say the word. Say the color, not the word. Not yet, not yet. Get ready. Round one. Good job. Good job. Excellent. Green. Ya, fokus ya. Good job. Purple. Blue. Red. Green. Focus, focus. Round two. More focus. Red. Purple. Green. Blue. Red. Okay, now. Okay. Stop this. Do you want to continue to round three? Do you want to continue? Oh, continue, miss. Round three, miss. Yeah. Okay, we will continue round three later, ya. It cannot be repeated. That's okay, miss? Okay. Yeah, we will continue the third round in the next meeting, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, what do you feel after you do the brain gym? What do you feel?
I'm not doing color.
Yeah, the purpose is to keeping your your focus. Okay, now before we start our investigation as a Muslim detective, we have to make sure that there is Islamic value in our investigations. Today we are going to investigate about change. Yeah, so this is the Islamic value that related to our investigation today. What surah is this? What surah? An-Naml, verse 65. Yeah, let's recite together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, wait. Bagas, are you okay now? Do you want to wash your face first? Yeah, wake up, yeah. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Kulaya lamu mau fis samawati wal ardil ghaiba illallah wa ma yas'uruna ayyahayub ashuna. Okay, who can help Miss Febri to read the meaning of this surah? Okay, I choose Radit. Okay.
Meaning, we, O
Yeah.
Prophet, not in the heavens and the earth from the knowledge of the unseen exact Allah. Nor do they know when they will be resurrected.
Yeah, so this surah remind us that even we are allowed to make a prediction, like forecasting the weather, right? But it's not allowed for us as a Muslim to believe in what can we call it? Paranormal. Yeah, because the meaning of this surah is the only Allah that knows the future. Yeah, as you know, the paranormal, yeah, they always claim that they can know future. Yeah, something that haven't happened. Yeah, but this surah remind us to only believe in Allah because only Allah that knows the future. Yeah, if we believe or trust to paranormal, yeah, it is not appropriate with the Islamic value. What can we call it? It is like in bahasa dukun, yeah. It is part or form of syirik, yeah. Yeah, so even today we talk about change, we can make prediction, but we have to believe in Allah, yeah. Okay, next, Miss. Okay, to make our investigations run smoothly, yeah, Miss Febri want to make sure that all detectives here can follow the rules. Yeah, can you mention one by one? Yeah, we have to stay focused, and then listen carefully, and then respect with the other, and then raise your hand if you want to speak. And then the last one, keep the class clean. Okay, so Miss Febri hope that all of you can follow the rules. Can you do it? Okay, before Miss Febri continue, for Team Angklung, you can go out from the class for practicing. Okay, don't forget to push your chair. Okay, for the rest of the students, can we continue? Yeah. Okay, next please. Okay, before we start our investigations, let's use our current knowledge or existing knowledge that we know about change. And then let's identify the knowledge or new information that you hope to discover from this investigation. We start from what do you know about change? Yeah, raise your hand.
Change.
Yeah, when you heard the word change, what do you think about change? Change.
Change or
Change, not change. Change. Yeah, change. What do you know about change?
something that's not guaranteed.
Raise your hand first. Remember our rule? What is change?
It's something that's not guaranteed.
Something that's not
Isn't guaranteed.
isn't guaranteed
Gambling.
to be happen. How about the other? Miss Febri still need one more students to explain what do you know about change? What do you know?
Only me.
Actually, in the beginning of the lesson, Miss Febri already asked you, yeah, what do you know about change? Yeah, and then Alia said, we can in change we can counting how many person that possible to join something or how many things that possible to be picked in one group. Okay, now what do you want to know? What do you want to know when you learn about change? Yeah, from this group maybe. What do you know, Albi? What do you want to know?
I want to know what.
Yeah. What things? More specific. Okay, Shanum. Shanum wants to know how to count change. Okay, how about the other from this group? Miss Febri want to ask to Mirza. Mirza, do you have something that you want to know from this lesson?
No.
No? Nothing? Nothing? How about Farhan? Shanum said that she wants to know about how to count change. How about you?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, but Miss Febri can guarantee that in this lesson you will get more new information. Okay, next, Miss. Now, as Miss Febri mentioned or stated in the beginning, to do this investigation, you have to complete 3 challenges. The first challenge is clue discovery. Yeah, you have to find the clue first. How to find the clue? How to find the clue? You have to listen to the mission instruction. Yeah, so you have to listen when Miss Febri give you instruction. Yeah, because it will affect when you do challenge number 2. What is challenge number 2? In challenge number 2, you will do hands-on experiment. Yeah, in that experiment, you will use these investigation tools. Yeah, Miss Febri already prepared on your table. Yeah, what for? What is the purpose of the experiment? Yeah, to help us to uncover the concept of change. Yeah, and then in challenge number 2, you also will gather or record the data that you get from the experiment. Yeah, so in challenge number 2, you are not only doing the experiment, but you have to record the data that you get in the detective record sheet. Okay, Akso, Baim, warning 1, sorry. Okay, and then the last challenge. Challenge number 3, after we do experiment and then we record the data, and then the last is unlock the truth. This is the mission. This is our mission. How to unlock the truth means? Yeah, how to unlock the truth? We can unlock the truth by analyzing the data that we get from challenge number 2. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next, Miss. Now, these are the investigation tools that Miss Febri already put all on your table. The first one, each group will receive 4 mystery box. Yeah. Yeah. Let's check together. Have you got 4 box? Yeah. Box 1 until box 4. And then the second tool is pom-pom. Yeah. You will see the pom-pom when you open the box. But wait, yeah. Don't open the box first, yeah. We will open the box one by one together. And then the third one, what is it? Panda mouse. Can you guess what the function is? Is this?
Use it so we can get it.
Yeah. You will pick the pom-pom inside the box in the closed eyes. Yeah. So you have to cover your eyes by using this panda mask. Okay, and then the last one, a detective record sheet. Okay, Miss Febri want to check, have you got this detective sheet already? Yeah, 1 group, 1 worksheet, and then the worksheet consists of 3 pages. Yeah, check together now. Whether you already got 3 pages? Yeah. Okay. Ready? Okay, next, Miss. Okay, let's start our investigations. What is the first challenge? You still remember what is the first challenge? We have to complete the challenge in turn, in order. What the first challenge? We discover the clue. Yeah, how to discover the clue? By listen carefully to the instructions. Okay, because some of you went out from the class because of Angklung practicing, so Miss Febri will set the number of member each group. Yeah, each group should be consist of 5. Yeah, check together. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Group 2 only 3. Group 4 already 5.
We have so much.
Already 5. Yeah, so that's okay. Yeah, group 2 only consists of 3. So every person get 2 times. Yeah, 2 times turn to pick the pom. Okay. Okay, are you ready to listen to the instruction?
Yes.
Okay, now choose detective 1 in every group. Okay, from group 4, Algonza. How about from this group? Okay, Afif from this group. Okay, detective 1 is Mirza, Biru, Afif, and then Algonza. Okay, now you can take box number 1.
Where?
Don't open ya, nak. Yeah, detective number 1, please take box number 1. Don't throw it, don't throw it. Detective number 1 is Mirza, right? So Mirza has to open.
Itu Baim.
Baim or Mirza?
Baim.
Okay, Baim, open. Okay, take first ya. Don't open.
Give me box number 3.
Okay, take box number 1.
On box.
Algonza, ready? Okay, ready? Now, please wearing your panda mask. Yeah, close your eyes for detective number 1. For detective number 1, ready? Baim, you close your eyes. And then for the other member, please take the worksheet. Take the worksheet now. You have to note what pom-pom they picked by detective 1. Okay, can we start? Can we start?
Yes.
Okay, detective 1, please take 1 pom-pom only from box 1.
Mana kotaknya?
1 pom-pom only from box 1. Yeah, that one. 1 pom-pom only.
Mana kotaknya?
Akso, follow the instruction, Akso. We still talking about box 1. Don't open the other box. Okay, already? Already only 1 pom-pom. Okay?
Yang mana? Cepat.
If you already done, can you show to Miss Febri? Okay, Baim got white pom-pom. Okay, Afif white. How about Albi? Algonza. Red. And then? Biru. Red. Miss, next, Miss. Okay, how to fill the result on your worksheet? Okay, for example, this is the first trial, yeah. The first trial that hold by detective number 1. Yeah, focus. Yeah, Miss Febri will explain how to fill the worksheet. Okay, in the first trial, if you got the red pom-pom, so you have to tick in the red column. Okay, for example, what color do you have? White. So Afif has to pick the white column. Okay, let's do it now. Yeah. Let's record your finding first. Based on the pom-pom that picked by the detective number 1. Okay, you pick red or white now?
What is this?
That one. Okay, white.
Wow.
Yeah, tick the white column. Yeah, tick first now. Tick the white column. Because biru get white. Okay, how about this? What color did you get? Okay. Okay. And then group 2 already record? Okay, already. How about Algonza? What color? Okay, right. Okay. Done for detective number 1. Now you can put the pom-pom back into box 1. Nah. Okay. Now we move to detective number 2. Yeah. Repeat the process as the previous one. Yeah. Who is the detective number 1? Number 2? Java. Yeah. Yeah. Box 2. Yeah. Now continue to box 2. Don't forget to put the pom-pom back, yeah. Yeah, now take 1 pom-pom only. Yeah, 1 pom-pom only.
Yes. Kita bisa di
In English not. Yeah, you have to write the result based on the box.
ikat bawah.
Okay, you have to record the finding on box 2 in the next table, ya nak. In the next table. Why so many tick? We only
Only one.
only one. One by one, one by one. Yeah, this one. Okay, ready?
Saya tidak punya.
Okay, now Miss Febri already. Class, class. Okay, listen. Miss Febri already give you 2 times instruction. Yeah. Okay, can we continue? Yeah. Miss Febri already give you 2 times instruction. Yeah. So for the rest of the work, you have to work in group. Yeah. Listen. For one box, yeah, you have to do 5 times trial. Yeah. For example, box 1. Yeah. So you have to pick the pom-pom in 5 times, and then record, yeah, the result on the table 1. Yeah, for example, listen. Yeah, before you work in group, Miss Febri want to to make it more clear. Yeah, group 1. Okay, make sure that in each box you do 5 times trial. For example, Miss Febri is the detective number 1, and then I pick one pom-pom from the box number 1, and then I got red. So Miss Febri, right? Miss Febri will pick the red pom-pom here because Miss Febri do the first trial, and then move to the next detective. For example, don't forget to put the pom-pom back, yeah? And then the second detective. The second detective, for example, Afif. Yeah, Afif pick one pom-pom na. Nah, Afif got 2. White pom-pom. Yeah, where we have to write in the second trial. Yeah, and then Afif got white pom-pom. And then continue to the other member until 5 trial. Yeah, and then after you complete the trial, you have to answer. Yeah, you have to fill the blank under the table. Yeah, there is a fill in the blank questions, and then there is a 2 questions. Yeah, after you complete the trial, you have to answer the questions. Okay, is it clear enough? Can you do by yourself? Yeah. Miss Febri will give you 5 minutes to do all the trials. Yeah. No, it's upside down now, Gonza. Use it properly. Yeah.
Obat 5 kali.
Yeah, until 5 trial.
Jadi kamu berapa 4 kali kamu juga.
Yeah. Why only one time?
Itu tadi.
Ayo continue yuk. Make it fast. Okay, group 1 almost done with box number 1. Yo, make it fast.
Merah. Oke.
Done?
Langsung buat ini warna putih.
Yeah, the last trial from. Yeah, the last trial. The last trial.
Aku nggak
Make it fast. Yeah, make it fast, make it fast. Okay, 5. Okay, continue with answer first and then continue with box number 2. Okay, group 1 already done with the box number 1. Okay, how about group 3? Okay, group 3 also already done with box number 1. Yeah, keep going now. How about group 2? Okay, group 2 already done with the second box. Yeah, continue to the third box. Don't forget to answer the questions, yeah. Don't forget to answer the questions. Yeah, help your friends now. Have you got your turn, Arya?
Ayo kita trial chamber kedua. Trial chamber kedua. Kita butuh optimis motion.
Yeah.
Oh, pakailah, pakai.
Yala.
Yeah, box number second box na, yeah, second box. Box number 1 already done. Okay, box number 2. Box number 2. Box number 2. Box number 2 first na. Box number 4. Yeah. Group 2 already done with the box number 3. All done?
We don't know how to do number 4.
The last box.
No color. Zero.
Is there pom-pom inside box number 4? So, what do you pick? What is it?
Ada warnanya. Jangan makan.
In English, please. Yeah, open your eyes. What is it? Is it pom-pom? No. It is pepper? Pepper clip. Yeah. That's all?
Zero.
Zero. Yeah. Yeah, 3 minutes left. Don't forget to answer the questions below the table. Box number? Still number 2. Yeah, continue. 2 box left. Yeah, in English, please. I'll be. Because we have to find the other concept.
Box 5 man. Wait.
Ready? Hold first. Just complete until page 2, ya. Just finish until page 2. Can I see?
Tahan dulu.
Why is still empty now? The discussion? Yeah, you have to answer. Can I see already done? Until the last box? Okay.
Number 4 we don't need to write it. There's nothing.
Yeah.
Number 4 is 4.
But even there's nothing, there's no pom-pom, but there is a meaning. Yeah, paper clip. Okay, group 1 already done.
Paper clip. Giliran kamu. Iya ini apaan semua?
Open your eyes. We will do it together. Yeah, until page. Okay, group 3 already done. How about group 2 and group 4?
It's a paper question. Class is
Okay, group 2 already done. How about group 4? Are you done?
Ini apa sih bilangnya? Oh, itu sudah almost the same because they have the same.
Which one? Which one?
Aku lupa bilang gimana, Miss?
Which one?
They have the same quantity apa sih?
Number.
Number.
Number. Okay, can we start our discussion? Yeah, we wait for group 4 ya. No, only until page 2. Only until page 2.
Itu bukan saya.
Okay, 1 minute left. Done? Done?
Ini kan yang formal.
Okay. Okay, now it's time for us to do challenge number 3. Class. Miss Febri will continue if you are quiet and then ready to continue our lesson. Okay. You already done with the first challenge. You already got the clue and then you already done with the challenge number 2. Yeah. Where you do the hands-on experiment. Before Miss Febri move to challenge number 3, what is the hardest one in doing challenge number 2? What is hardest? What is the hardest one? What is the hardest part? Or all easy? Is it easy for you to collect the data and record your findings? Yeah. Is it easy? Yeah. Okay. Now we move to the challenge number 3. Yeah, this is the missions. Yeah, let's solving the case together. Now you can open page number 3. Yeah, page number 3. Already? Okay, we will fill the table together. Yeah, next, Miss Dede. Next. Next. Okay, next. Next. Okay, stop. Okay, now we discuss together, start from the first box. Yeah, Miss Febri wants every group present your finding. Yeah, starting from box number 1. What's inside? What are inside box number 1? What did you find in box number 1? How many red pom-pom? How many red pom-pom?
4.
Yeah. Look at your table in the box 1. How many red pom-pom? 5. Yeah. How about group 3? Did you find 5 red pom-pom in box 1? How about the white pom-pom? 1. Yeah. Next, Miss Dede. Yeah. So, pass class. Yeah. Okay. So, what are inside the box number 1? There are. It should be 5. Ya, nak. Group 3. There are 5 red pom-pom and 1 white pom-pom. Yeah, so what happened? Which pom-pom that more often to be picked based on your finding? Yeah, look at the table number 1. Look at the table number 1. Okay, class, can you stop to playing the box? Can you stop to playing the box? Okay, so no one touch the box, yeah? Just focus with the worksheet. Okay, we still talk about box number 1. There are 5 red pom-pom and 1 white pom-pom. So what happened? Start from group 1. What happened? Or Miss Febri can change the questions. Which pom-pom that more often to be picked in box 1? When you already done 5 times trial. Red pom-pom. Okay, group 1. Red pom-pom. How about group 2? Which pom-pom that more often to be picked? Box number 1, nak? Box number 1? Red pom-pom. So, group 1 and group 2 have the same answer. Okay, how about group 3? Red pom-pom. How about group 4? Red pom-pom. Next, Miss Dede. So, yeah, your finding are same. Yeah, all of you get more red pom-pom to be picked. Okay, until here, this is the data that we get. Now, it's time for you to analyze. Yeah, what the change concept that fits with your finding or that appropriate with your finding. Remember, there is a clue. Yeah, at the top. Yeah, what is the clue? Can you find the clue at the top? What are the clues? Certain, likely, unlikely, even change, and impossible. Yeah. So for box 1, which concept that appropriate or fits with our finding in box number 1? What do you think?
Likely.
Likely?
Likely.
Can you make a clear statement, Albi?
The red pom-pom should be more likely to get picked.
Okay, the red pom-pom should be more likely to be picked. How about the others? Do you have the same opinion with Albi? Yeah, so the change concept is, next Miss Dede. Yeah, if there is more than one type inside the box, okay, listen. Okay, let's identify how many type of pom-pom inside box number 1. How many type? How many colors? There are 2. Yeah, there are 2 group of color. The first group is red, and then the second group is white. And then the conclusion is, if there are more number in one type or in one color, so it is more likely to pick it. Yeah. How about the reverse? How about the white pom-pom? Is it more likely to pick it? No. So, what the change concept? Unlikely. So, can you make a conclusion? Okay, write it first.
The white pom-poms were unlikely to get picked.
Yeah. The white pom-pom is unlikely to be picked. Why? Because the white pom-pom is less than the red pom-pom. Yeah. So Miss Febri repeat. The conclusion is, if there is more things in one type, so it is more likely. Yeah. But if it is fewer number in a group, so it is unlikely to pick it. Okay, about the first concept, likely and unlikely. Are you understand?
What's it called? Change. What should it called?
Which one?
There.
It should be changed. Yeah, Miss Albi will change later. Yeah. Thank you, Albi. Okay. Any questions so far? No? Can we continue to the next box? Yeah. Okay. Now take a look to table number 2. Yeah. Miss Dede. Next. Okay. Even mix. What? Next, Miss Dede. Okay, so in box number 2, there are 3 red pom-pom and 3 white pom-pom. What happened? Okay, start from Miss Febri need to ask you one by one for what happened, because maybe each group find the different evidence. Yeah. Okay, group 1, what happened? Which pom-pom that more often to be picked in box 2? White. Okay. White. How about group 2? White. White pom-pom. How about group 3? Box number 2. Which pom-pom that more often to be picked? Red. How about the last group? White or red? White. Okay. Next, Miss Dede. So even there are equal numbers, so red and white pick equally, and then what is the change concept that fits with the finding? Next, Miss Dede. Now, if the number of the things in the group is equal, so the change concept is, what is the change concept that fit with the finding? Even change. We can use even change when the number or the quantity of things in the several group are same.
50-50.
50-50. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, let's take a look. Box number 3. Okay, what are inside box number 3? Box number 3?
All red.
All red. There are 6 red pom-pom. Okay, what happened? Mirza, second warning, Mirza. Wake up, Mirza. What happened from group 1? Which pom-pom that pick more often? Red. Group 2? Red. How about group 4?
All red.
Red. How about the last group? Red. So, what happened? All red pom-pom are picked. Next, Miss Dede.
Just red.
Only red pom-pom pick. Why? Why?
Because all of them are red.
Because all of them are red. There is no other color inside the box. So what? Take a look at the clue. What change concept that fit with the finding? We have said unlikely, even change, and impossible.
The red is
What the change concept? If there are only one type, how many type inside the box? Only one type, only red. So is it impossible to pick the red pom-pom, or is it more likely to pick the red pom-pom? Or, if 100% possibility to pick that item, so the change concept is, what is it, Anna? What is it? Will happen. The synonym is sure. So if there are if there is one type in the group, so it will certain to pick that item. Is there any possibility of color that can we pick from box 3? No, only red. Next, Mr. Dea. So if there is only one type, so the change concept is certain to pick it. Okay, the last box.
none of them.
Next, Mr. Dea. What are inside?
Nothing.
What did you find? Paper clip. So which pom-pom that more often to be picked? Miss,
Mom.
listen, my question is, which pom-pom that more often to be picked in box form? Is it possible to pick pom-pom? No. So if it is not possible, so it means impossible. Nice, Miss Dede. Yeah. If there is no item, so it is impossible to be picked. For example, Miss Laila. For example, Miss Febri give you another example. Yeah. For example, Miss Laila said, Miss Febri, I need one boy from 6 alley, and then only the girl inside the class. Is it possible to Miss Febri
Yes, it's be a male.
to help Miss Laila? How about the change? Okay, Miss Febri repeat. Miss Laila asked Miss Febri to ask one boy to come to 6 Zubair, but unfortunately only the girls here. So can you apply the change concept on that condition? What the change concept?
Unlikely.
Zero possibility. If zero possibility, so what the change concept? Impossible. Why impossible, Shannon? Yeah, because Miss Laila need a boy, but only the girls are inside the class. So impossible to ask the boy from the class. Okay? Any questions so far? Can you from how many concepts that we already discussed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 concepts, can you differentiate when we have to use more unlikely, when we have to use certain impossible? Can you differentiate one concept to another? Okay, next. Now we already discussed about the change concept. Now let's conclude by answering the questions on the last page. Yeah, in this part, this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's conclude. We still have 15 minutes left. Miss Febri give you 5 minutes to conclude. Yeah, work in group. And then after that, we will mix our answer together. Okay, let's answer the question. How many questions? 5 questions, yeah? Use the change concept that we just discussed. This one,
More likely.
Yep.
Tadi aku cuma
Ready, Bagas? Yuk. Discuss with your friends. Okay, remember, teamwork is the key, so all members have to contribute. Yeah, all members have to participate. Yeah, work in group.
unlikely.
Wrong spelling na. It should be K first. You can see here.
If some doing this, you just give you all the nice
Yeah, let's go. Not perfect.
Are you done? Only three members.
Salah tempat nggak sih? Maksudnya gini. Yang itu. Yang ini loh maksudnya.
I made a stick man for some reason. I made a stick man.
Selesai.
Empty sign.
Now we have signed the contract. Now give me all your money.
Guaranteed.
Using
Oh. Give me your money.
using the clue.
Serta.
What kind of statement is that?
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. If you are done, you can sign on the sign box.
My name is Ethan.
Why didn't you sign here?
I don't know. I look in the
Or you are detective number 3. Okay, Biru
Looks like-
detective number 1. And then who is detective number 2?
Oh!
Is it Rafa? Ah, Emin.
Very good.
Okay, don't forget to sign after that, and then make sure that you already answer all the
And
questions.
now you have agreed to give me all of your money.
I already did.
Done? Done? Ah? Okay.
Oh, just sign the first. Oh, you give me all of your money.
One line.
Mana ada?
Still empty na. Number 4, 5. Can I see Radir?
I have a seat.
Let me take a look.
Then get a mess.
Is it only even? 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 Is it already complete? Even? Only even?
Likely, unlikely,
Even?
even chance.
Even change. Okay, back to your seat.
Look,
Arya, back to your seat. What happened, Albi?
you idiot.
Okay, let's discuss together. Let's make conclusion together.
We learn and become a detective.
Okay, class. Okay, thank you, group 2. Thank you, group 4. That already ready to continue. How about group 1? Are you ready? Yuk, sit down first, Andala. Chanu. Okay, now to make sure not polite. Okay, say istighfar. Say istighfar 3 times. Okay. To make sure that you already understand about the concept, let's make the conclusion together. Okay, number 1. Okay, Miss Webley wants to ask to Rafa. Yeah, if there are more items, yeah, we will talk about the concept number 1. If there are more items in one type, yeah, it's more blah 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 to pick that item. What do you think? What the change concept? In this conclusion, there is no clue, yeah, because Ms. Webley wants to make sure that you already understand every concept. Okay. If there are more items, which we still talk about the concept, not the item, not the things. Yeah, so the answer will not red or white. Yeah, but you have to mention the concept. Okay, Ms. Webley repeat, yeah. If there are more items in one type, yeah, based on our experiment, for example, in box number 1, how many type of pom-pom? How many type? How many color? 2. And then if there are more number in one type, so it's more blah 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 to pick that item. Anyone can help Rafa? Okay, Shanum. More likely. How about the other? Do you agree with Shanum? Yeah. Yeah. So remember, if there are more items in one type, so it is more likely to pick that item. Yeah. It is happen in box 1. Yeah. Where there are 5 red pom-pom and then 1 white pom-pom. Yeah. So it is more likely to pick pom-pom red. Yeah. Why? Because there are more pom-pom red inside the box. Okay, got it, Rafa? Understand? For example, in box 1, there are 5 red pom-pom and then 1 white pom-pom. And then it is more likely to pick pom-pom in red. Why? Because the total of red pom-pom inside the box is 5. And then the white one, only 1. So it is more likely to pick red pom-pom. Okay. Okay, number 2.
Very fast, very fast.
Okay, number 2. Miss Febri want to ask to... Okay, Albi. If there are, now this is the opposite from number 1, yeah. Number 1, if there is more items. But in number 2, if there are fewer items, what will be happen?
Unlikely.
It is unlikely. Yeah. If we take a look to box number 1, it is unlikely to pick the white pom-pom because the number of white pom-pom only 1. Yeah. So it is the opposite from number 1. Next, Miss Dede. Okay, number 3. Miss Febri want to ask to Zahra. Zahra, yo, take a look number 3 now. If the items now are equally, yeah. Do you still remember? Do you still remember which box that has equal number of pom-pom? Box 1, 2, 3, or 4? Do you still remember which box that has equal number? Which box now? Box 1, 3. Yeah. If the items are equally distributed, so the chance of picking each is even change. Yeah. So it is clear. Yeah. If the number of the things are equal, even there are more than 2 groups. Yeah. For example, there are 3 groups. Not only red, white, and then maybe yellow color, black color, but as long as the number of them are equal, so the chance is even. Okay, the next one. Miss Febri wants to ask to Aksa. Yeah, if all items are the same, it is certain. Yeah, because there is no other possibility to pick other color. Yeah, which box that has same three? Yeah, 3 consists of 6 red pom-pom. Okay, next, Miss Dede. Now, this is the last concept. If an item doesn't exist in a container or in the box, yeah, so it is impossible to pick it. Yeah, it is like maybe, for example, Radit mother, Radit mother. Radit, please help me to take 1 spoon. And then Radit go to the kitchen and then Radit looking for the spoon in the container that consists of all 4. Is it possible to find the spoon inside the fork? Why? Remember the box only consists of the fork only. And then Radit looking for the spoon. So it is impossible to find the spoon. Yeah? Because the container only consists of the fork. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay, next, Miss Dede. Now, okay. If there is no questions, let's do reflections for our investigations today. Okay. Miss Febri wants to ask to Algonza. Algonza, Miss Febri want to choose the red hat for Algonza. It is about feelings. What do you feel after finish the investigations? Neutral, what do you mean of neutral? You don't feel anything? How about your partner? How about your partner, Albi? What do you feel? Is it hard for you? No. Is it hard for you to understanding about my change concept? How many change concept that you already learned? How many change concept? 5 or 4? 5 or 4? Shanum? 5. Yeah. Okay. Now more hat. Yeah. Which one? Okay, the yellow hat. Kadir, can you tell Miss Febri and then your friends what the benefit?
Oh, benefits?
Yeah, of learning change.
We become smarter.
We can become smarter. And then, can we make predictions? Can we make predictions? Yeah. Yeah. One of the benefits of learning change is we can make predictions. Okay. Next, Miss Dede. Okay, mission accomplished. Congratulations, detective. Okay, mission already complete. Okay, now remember our rules. Keep the class clean. We still have, before Miss Febri close, okay, we still have 4 minutes. Now, please tidy all the investigations tools on your table. Tidy all the investigations tools. Also, and friends, here, tidy up now. Tidy up the box. Ready? Yeah. Okay, thank you, group 4. How about the other group? You can keep it first. Okay, thank you, group 4. Group 3 already. Group 2 almost done. Okay. Radit, sit down first. Okay, Rafa. Okay, we wait for Rafa. Yeah. Okay. Okay, as usual, to close our session, let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for the Khalifah, you can lead us to pray.